Hey everybody, John from the Lucky Needle here. It's October 30th, Saturday. We're doing a little work today. I just wanted to catch you guys up on kind of what's happened the last few days. We ran into a few setbacks, so I just wanted to let you know about those. I did get a little bit of footage of this, but we have decided to move the shop. The shop was going to be right here behind us, as you can see. That's where we've been focusing a lot of our efforts on. But the other day we were out here with the tractor doing some work and driving it around, and all of a sudden the tractor is completely stuck down to the axles. The tractor's like almost gone, and lo and behold, we figured out that there's an actual quicksand pit there. I didn't even know that was a thing. I didn't know that was real, but apparently that's a real thing here. So after doing a little bit more research, we kind of determined that this area over here is actually sort of a natural spring. So water is going to constantly be coming up into there, and I'm just worried that the shop is going to float away if we put it there, or at least it's going to sag down a bunch of feet, you know, and it's going to look really ridiculous and be a waste of money. So we're relocating the shop to the second location that I had picked, which is right over here. You can see that this area is quite a bit drier. It's a little bit more elevated. I've watched it while it's raining, and rain doesn't collect there. So I think this is going to be a much better spot. We'll have a nice shot from the driveway to the road to the shop, and it'll be good. So this was my second location. The reason why I wanted to put it over here was in case I ever wanted to make a paved driveway into the shop. It would be a lot cheaper to do it if the shop was there compared to way back here. But I think in the long run, this is going to be a much better decision, especially after realizing what's going on in that location there. So we're going to do that, and then now that we know exactly where the shop's going to be, what we're going to be working on today is cutting down some of these big trees, and we've been looking forward to doing that. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Hopefully we don't ruin anything and the trees fall the direction that we want. We've got kind of a system going where we use the strap and a come along to pull the tree in the direction we want it to fall, and then go for it. So that's what we're doing. The dogs are loving the new yard and all the space to run around, as you can see, and yeah, let's see what trouble we can get into today. Come on, boy. Come on. What's out here? Look at your new yard. What do you think? Huh? Matt, how do you like being a lumberjack?
It's not too bad of a living.
Free food, I guess, right?
Free food, free beer. Can't complain.
$66 years old, this tree.
Alright, if you like that video and you want to see another one, make sure you click to your right here. And don't forget about all the courses we have available at the Lucky Needle. Click here in the corner to get more information. And don't forget to subscribe right here.